Let's go out here and check out the creek after a huge rain that we had. And then it also rained really heavily yesterday. Maybe, anyway, lots of times recently, lots of flash flooding. So I already hear the creek running. Lots of these mushrooms right here, which I don't know what they are. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. I gotta find out what those are. My homie with her special gear, protect her from that eagle that lives out here. We hear him all the time. I mean, I don't hear him right now, but we do hear him all the time. All the little sunshine trails are popping up. It's perfect weather for the shrooms. It's so wet. This little side creek is flowing really strong. Normally there's no water in it. Oh, whoa. I ran all the way back up to the cabin to get my phone. Left my husband down here on a phone call. He's still down here in the woods on a phone call. Here's that fungus among us. It's the coral fungus. It's milk cap. Let's see. Hold on here. Did it sap? Did it sap? Didn't see a lot of sap. Maybe it ain't a milk cap. Pretty sure it is though. Try it again. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh, it's thundering. I guess it's gonna rain again. Maybe it's not a milk cap. Maybe it's in the chanterelle family. No, I guess it's milking. It's getting milky. Yeah, I'm looking at it real life. It's milky. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, see? It's a milk cap. Yay. Positive ID. They're edible. This is normally dry. It's just like dry creek beds going to the main creek. Still, that's the side creek that's usually dry. This is the big mammy jammy. Let's get over here and look. This is crazy. That's a crazy amount of water.
Yeah.
Smells like earthworms really strong here, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells
like earthworms, like worms.
It smells like worms and bug spray.
Well, okay, it does. I do smell worms.
That's flowing.
I've never seen it flow like that. That's why I wanted to see it. You can't even see. Well, a little higher than this, looks like, And it's like way over his boots.